Once upon a time, I lived in a very quiet neighborhood. I swear, it was quiet once upon a time. Let me show you what's going on outside. Holy crap, my neighborhood. Hey, these are my neighbors. Dave, Nancy. Dave, I want to make a video on you one day. A documentary on you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I think you have the greatest stories.
Oh.
And then I want to make a video on you. A documentary on how you dealt with all the stories and Dave in general.
That's why I have this color up here.
I know. What's up, bro?
What's up, dude?
Why you look so nice and sassy?
Man, for you, I have to look good today.
Oh, no, you stop. You stop. There's a big hole in the sidewalk. Ah, Josh! First time in the GTR.
Oh,
It's sassy.
My life can end right now.
Josh is talking about buying bags for his Subi.
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen?
It's gotta be bags. I mean, don't get me wrong. I want instant gratification with coilovers, which would be great. But the long term of having bags would be great.
Hey, listen to the downshift. It's fucking insane.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Sounds so nice.
Oh.
What's up, dude? Good morning.
Good morning.
Let me see the picture. That is 2015 Superfest. That I think was my bumper run.
Yeah.
I think that was the day before or the day after my bumper ripped off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The rain killed it. That is fucking crazy.
I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming gold like a rah.
Is this your first car meet?
This is actually.
Oh, your car meet cherry.
He popped it.
Oh no.
Mike's used to that.
Whoa, we just running on our own now. Whoa, all these digits on my phone now. Working through the late night, that's just how it goes down. Oh wow, put in work, I guess we work it out. Almost summer and the money almost running out. All this running up and down, it's getting funny now. I do it for myself and all these.
Ooh. Right there. Josh, right there, Josh, do it.
Dude.
This one. Yeah? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my. All right, so what are we doing? Location 2?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Cruising over.
Tacos?
Food. Tacos, beans and rice.
Oh,
The works.
I'm so hungry.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, let's go for a ride. All right, guys, we're headed over to location 2, which is a park in San Dimas. There's gonna be tacos there, rice and beans. Yes. Whoa, wow. We have a group right back there.
Laying in your bed, fighting ghosts in my head. Wish that I could let you go. Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose?
I made it to San Dimas. What's up?
I can air out too, but it'd have to pop the tires.
Oh shit. Everyone's rolling in. Look at this. I like this spot more. Yeah. Yeah, that's what she said. Look at this. Damn, Josh. This is Josh's car.
It's that don't stop light.
It's not gonna be very long. God damn. Check it out. Looks like they're patching up.
They said it's gonna be another 10 years.
Yo, good morning, guys. Welcome on a Sunday.
So guys.
Warehouse sale going on. We've got these guys, and we have, oh, Josh is wandering away. This guy over here. Why are you wandering away? Say hello to the vlog.
What's up?
Where are you guys from?
Rialto.
Rialto? Oh yeah, where?
Colton.
Oh, yeah, it's not too far. Oh yeah, you're not too far.
Fighting ghosts in my head. Wish that I could let you go.
What's up, dude?
What up?
Tell me where you're from.
Rhode Island.
That is far.
is
That's
far.
like the furthest you can get right now. Oh man, well welcome in. This is the warehouse. Yeah. Yo, these are my Vietnamese homies. This is my cousin. This is my nephew. Wait, what's your last name?
Lee.
Lee?
Tran.
Oh shit! Oh, Tran. My nephew's a Tran. There you go. Tony, you just say my car looked nicer with red wheels.
Well, you know, me and half of YouTube will agree.
I know. No, actually, you know the story on this one is, people hated this one 2 years ago. They said this was Ricer 2 years ago.
Really?
Yep.
It's amazing how trends change, huh?
It did. So and then when I switched over to red, everyone loved it, and then I'm switching back, and now everyone loves this again.
Okay, well.
Weird, right?
You gotta keep us on your toes,
Culture,
man.
culture is weird. What's up, guys? It's a baby. I like babies. Hi. Oh, you're cute.
So thank you.
Hi. Oh my gosh, I miss my daughter. I miss my daughter. Ooh, 2 boxes. Thanks, Tony. Got some good stuff in here.
Hell yeah.
Got even a pillow and a mug too. Dude, say what's up.
What is up, everybody?
Man,
How's it been?
good, good. Introduce yourself.
My name's Ryan Vargas. I race NASCAR in multiple divisions, and I'm here to check out the place, check out the warehouse.
Sick. He won a race last week or yesterday.
Last night.
Last night.
And
he brought the
like 12 hours.
he brought the trophy.
Day.
What the heck? That is so cool.
Yeah. Car was sporty last night.
Man.
Made top pass for the lead. I think it was like lap 8. And
He won yesterday.
last night.
He won dude, that's so badass.
I figured y'all would want to see it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. No, the car was good. I mean, it was just ridiculous. Like, I didn't think we were going to win. I'm being honest. We just were kind of off in practice and qualified second. Yeah. And I just saw the leader just start slipping up. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna send it. And I went right into the corner and I was like, let me just get here. Made out the corner, went back in the corner, just drove it in, and I heard my spotter clear, drive away, and I'm like, on my way. And I just
Clear. How fast have you driven?
fastest I've gone is like 160, 170.
Okay. You're gonna go a solid like 10 miles in here.
Okay.
It'll be very scary.
Yeah, I think this will be probably the most like to scale speed I've ever had.
Watch this. Okay, ready? Oh, God. Oh no. Here we go. All right, just follow me. Keep your hand in one spot over there.
Okay.
Just like the fist right here. Yeah, grab one, just one left hand. Just follow me back.
It's gonna go bad.
Yeah. We'll get away from all the cars. Okay. So just give it. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, there's no brakes. Okay, all right, let me show you. Let me show you some tricks. Okay, let's go. He just won first place yesterday. He's going backwards. All right, I'm gonna give him a little garage tour, but in the carts.
The car's okay.
Here, so got all the cars here.
Yes, they're very nice.
That's very nice. Warehouse over here.
This is very casual.
Yeah, warehouse tour. We just hop on some crazy cars over here, and they'll just take you around.
Stays around the house.
I know. You have a lot of holes in the house.
That's right.
You have a YouTube channel, dude.
Yeah,
This is sick.
I just kind of got back into it. My channel right here.
Let me see.
There we go. Right, you got Brad right there. In
Hell
the
yeah.
thumbnail.
Oh, sissy boy. Dude, shoot him a follow. Subscribe. That's super sick. What's up? Oh, you look like a gangster, bro.
Ooh.
You guys rolling in deep. What's up? What's up? How's it going? What's up? See you, dude. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Have fun. Drive fast. And you're back. I do not remember tattoos on you. Not this much. I remember that, but not this. What a king.
I got my left hand on the back.
Dang. Oh, hey, Rob. Right there, Rob.
Huh?
Why don't you have a tattoo like this?
The back like that?
Yeah.
What's it? Rodriguez?
Doing it great. What up, guys? We're back. My allergies are starting to get to me. But we got a couple cool cars rolling up. Ooh. What is this?
Polar.
What the hell? This is from like the 30s or 20s or what the hell?
I used to buy a bunch of these in high school, so
That's
I
cool.
found it again. I'm like, I might as well use it before the film expires.
Yeah, that's cool. Let's try it.
So I used to be so into it.
What is this?
What do I push to take the photo?
This is the photo, right? So you just press down. And that's it. But yeah, no, not yet. It's like you just aim it and then just press down.
You got filters on you? Like a dog face filter?
I heard there's squirt action here. What's going on?
So that's a tab, and then you just pull it out.
What the hell?
And so like the thing squirts it all the way out.
That is wild.
It'll come out blotchy if you don't do it right, but either way, like when it comes out blotchy, it looks pretty cool and vintage.
That's wild.
And then you let it sit for like 30 seconds or a minute.
All right, what do we got here?
It's probably gonna still be developing, but
Oh, what the heck?
oh, it didn't come out right. I'm telling you, the film was expired.
Oh man, well that's kind of cool.
You can do it again.
Try it again.
Get the idea, yeah. Let's see, it turned out.
Oh, wrong way or what?
Oh, still black.
Still black.
This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good.
This is the one that goes in the fridge. Oh, still nothing.
The film was expired, but probably pretty sick though. Alright guys, super short vlog. I'm sorry, it's Mother's Day weekend, so we just wanted to open the warehouse out really quick for people who couldn't show up last week. So just in the vlog here today. Hopefully you guys had fun. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna be still doing route deliveries with Rob. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing Orange County region, then we're gonna be doing a few more other regions just for fun. Hopefully get a reaction out of you guys to see you guys receiving it, and I just want to give my appreciation for you guys buying and supporting our business for so long, and this is my way of kind of reaching out and spending my time with you as much as I can. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.
I apologize for everything.